Hey guys, welcome back. Let me show you something interesting here. So this is our library management system which you are seeing right now. And in order to add a book, you have to go into the add book action and then manually add a book. Now for the example, I have this book which is present here. Now if I want to add this book into this system here, so what I would have to do, I would have to manually write the title, author and ISBN number and the published date here. But instead of that, can we reduce that manual effort? So let's see about that. So here you can see I have the Appian app in my mobile. If I go into this Appian app here, so this app will start system here. So this is the library management portal. I will go into that one. Now this is the library management system which is opening on the mobile, and this is on our laptop here. So here when I click on add book here you can see a barcode reader has been added here. Now with the help of this barcode, we are going to add the entry of this book into our system here. So this is the book here, and here is the ISBN number of that book. And now if you go into the mobile application, here is the barcode reader. I will open this text field here, and with the help of this barcode we will add the entry. So click on the barcode here, and now if you see here, I will scan the barcode with the help of this. And as soon as I scan, if you see, the detail got populated here. The title got populated, the author got populated, ISBN number, anyway it detected that ISBN number, and similarly the published date also got populated here. Genre is not populated, that's fine, but because we have to create some of our other datas as well in the reference table, but other details got populated here. And now we can add the entries with the help of this barcode very fast. And now I will show you which API I have used to get this data here. Okay, so this barcode is the inbuilt functionality in Appian. In desktop it doesn't work. Here you would have to give the number, but in mobiles it will work fine. Okay, so now let's see how it has been implemented here. Okay. Now that you have seen the working of the barcode reader, now we are going to configure this in our Appian. So how we have done is, see here what are the things required. First is a barcode field to scan the barcode, and the second is the book API we will need it, so that by ISBN number we can get details of the book here, and this is the Google API which will be used here. So first of all we have to configure the Google API. So here I have already configured the API, but for you I will again do it from scratch here. Configure the API in the Cloud Console. You can use it without as well, but there will be some issues after that, like too many requests and all that, so it will be difficult. So that's why it's good to configure it here. We will go here and go to console.cloud.google.com. that is the step 1, and here you can see this is library management API. I will create a new project here. Okay, create a new project, just name a project like book API. Okay, and parent resource will be no organization. Click on create here. So now your project is getting created here. Here you can see it is in progress. Once it is created, just click on select the project. You have to select the project here. So let's see here, this project is selected. Now go to this left hand side and go to API services, go to library. So from library you have to select the API and write here book. So this is our books API, so this is the books API. Select this one. Once you select this, click on enable. Once you have enabled, this API will now get enabled here. Now once the API will enable, automatically this screen is going to appear in front of you. This API has been selected here, so you can see in top of the header it books API selected. You don't have to go anywhere, just click on create credentials. So once you have created the credentials, it will ask you which API you are using. We are already using the book API, let it be selected here, and we will get the public data from here. Click on next. Once you click on next here, so it will now create the API key for you. So this is the API key. So just click on copy to clipboard, or you can also copy directly like this as well. Once it is copied, see here, we recommend restricting this key before using in production. We are not going to use in production, so you can skip this step here. Click on done. Okay, now once it is done, your API key is ready. So now what we are going to do here is we are going to use this API key that we have just now copied in our integration. So first of all, we will go into library management. This is my previous API key. I will create a new constant here. Go to the constant tab, and here we will write here book library. Okay, book library API key, and it is going to be here text, and paste the value here. Click on create. Once this API key is ready for you, now we will work on creating the integrations here. So what was the base URL that we are going to use? This is the base URL. Base URL is this one here, and you can see a question mark is there. Q means the query parameter, and in the same way we have to write it. Okay, so I will show you how in Postman generally it is done. So what we will do here is, let me just go to Postman once, and we'll show you from there like how it is configured, so that it will be easy for you to understand as well. So here you can see this is how we have used this Google API books v1 Q. So once you have written the question mark here in the query parameter, it will be added here. Along with that, you have to also use the API key. So in order to use the API key, you have to use that key parameter and paste that API key which you have just now created, and click on send here. Once you click on send, you will get the details of the book, which ISBN number you have selected. So here, this is all the details of the book that you are going to get here. So in this way we can use it. So now we have to configure the integration in Appian as well. This is completely optional step. I just showed you like how actually this API is working in Postman, but that's completely fine. We will directly create it here. So go to the integration here, and as of now we are not going to create any connected system because this is just one API. Okay, get book data by API. Okay, something like this. We have created the name. Click on create. Now once it is open, you have to paste the URL here. So see here in Postman, up to this volumes, this can be our URL, but after question mark, these are the query parameters. Okay, this is done, and method is going to be get here. Okay, and in the first query parameter, see in Appian you will see that question mark name 1 value 1 it is written. So it has given an example as well. Add a query parameter, write here Q, and after that, after Q it is written like something like this one, ISBN and all this. Okay, so we will write, go in the edit as expression, and we will give question mark and paste it here. So see here, ISBN is a fixed number, but this is not fixed. Okay, so we will write here ampersand, and here we have to write RI by ISBN. I guess we don't have this RI as of now, but that's fine. We will now create it because this ISBN number is going to be dynamic here, ISBN, and type is going to be text here. Okay, now this will not create any issue at all. ISBN number we have it. The second query parameter we have to write for the API key. So this is the key, and this is the this will be our API key. So we have already created the API key, so just paste it here. Or we can we already have a constant. Why to paste it? So we will just go into that one. We will go to edit as expression, we will go to cons bank and paste this in the integration here. That's it. Click on OK. Okay, that's it, and return JSON body. And now we need an ISBN number as well. So we will use the so many ISBN numbers are available. We will use the same which is working here. Okay, so see, not all ISBN will have the data in the API, so that you will have to take in consideration, like not all books are available there. Click on save here. So once you have saved this data will be saved. Now directly we cannot use so much of data, because if you go into our ad book here title, author and published, only 3 things are required here. Not everything is required. Genre is there, but genre is coming from reference tables or reference values here, but at least title, author and published date we want, and this API will have those details as well. So we need an expression rule to format that data or get only that data which is required for us. So we will just write here format API, okay, response. Okay, click on create. We just need as of now 3 data. In future, if we have more data we want it, or you are trying to expand or the book management with more data, so many datas are available. Okay, you can use the type, reading modes, page count, you can use categories, you can use image, or as well you can use it. Lot of things are there, which country it is there, even prices are there, so lot of things are there. Okay, now here the first value is going to be our rule input. So let's create it here, ISBN, and click on text. And now if is null or empty ISBN, then we will just write here null, otherwise we will create local variable and local bang. Okay, API, okay, local bang, just write here response, and rule bang, this is the data here, copy that and paste that. Okay, and ISBN is going to be a RI bang ISBN. Make sure that you don't call the API too many times, otherwise you will start facing the issue like too many requests, and because it is a free version, right, you don't have unlimited requests, so don't trigger it unnecessarily. We have to be very careful. How we can get the title here? See here, everything here is in result. Okay, then body. So first of all, what we will do here is local bang, let's extract the body here, body. So local bang response dot result dot body, and now we will paste that data here, this ISBN number. Okay, and in the API, let's set it as default value. It is much better, because whenever you open the API, you don't have to look for a new ISBN number, directly it will be available. Okay, and now after body, let's see, oh sorry, I just, okay, now we don't need that here, so we will just call it here only, local bang body, and click on test here. So when you click on test, you will get the body of the data here. So see here, items is there, item contains the title. Okay, so only items, so we will just write here dot items, and inside the items it is volume info, it is this one, access info, all so all the details, I guess it is in volume info only. Okay, so volume info. Okay, now inside the volume info we have the title, we have the authors here. So we have got all this data, so we will create a map of the data here. We will write here title, title is going to be local bang body dot title, then authors are there, and make sure that the key that you are making, it is exactly in the same. Okay, so let me just go to book here, it matches the exact keyword of your record type. I will show you why I am emphasizing on that one, because next time we want to convert that data into the record type itself, so that will be a challenge then. Okay, so see here, title is this one, copy this title here and paste the title, author is also correct here. So local bang body dot author, authors, so authors we have got it here, and after that we need published date. So where is the published date? This is the published date. Okay, so let's just paste this here, published date. Okay, so title, author, publisher, published date. Okay, so here is the published date here. Okay, local bang body dot published date, and now let's see that whether it is giving all the details or not. So here it is getting all the details, but few details are list of variants, so let's just flatten this author as well. So we don't want list of data, and click on test once again. See, I'm testing again and again. Make sure that you don't test too many times, we might reach out of the limit as well. That's fine, but now we have got this map here, but this map we want to cast into our record type as well. Why we need a record type? Because we need that data in our rule inputs, it should populate all our fields. So we will write here record type bang, okay, LMS, and then book. Okay, so let me write here just book here. Okay, so this one, this record type we are not able to access here. Okay, so let me write here record type bang L. Let's see here, LMS. I guess it's not working for me. Okay, let's do one thing. In the case it doesn't work, we can just create a sample one LMS book. Let's see if it is working here. LMS book, this is what we need as of now here. Cast into ri bang book here dot fields dot author. So see here, from this one we got our record type. Okay, so sometimes it doesn't work, not sure why it's not working. Let me just delete the rule input here. If it doesn't work for you, you can do something like this one. Test once again and see it has given the data like this one. Okay, save this one. So now our API part is ready here. So we have created the integration, we have created the expression rule to get the data into our record type as well. Now what is the next thing? We have to go into our interface and add that barcode reader as well. Let's just use a column layout here, okay, just above it, and now let's place a barcode here. That's it. Go to expression now. So in this barcode what will happen? Okay, so let me just try to use a variable to store the barcode value. So local bang barcode. Okay, and now let's go into this barcode here. The value is going to be local bang barcode, and in the save into local bang barcode. This is the value here. So whenever any value is placed here, it will be saved here. Now let's say like I am saving the value in the barcode, but how will integration be called? So integration as well we have to call inside this save into only, otherwise it will be difficult. Okay, so here we will write a bang save, okay, ri bang LMS book. Now why I have written LMS book? See where title is getting stored. It means that when I click on test here and write the same LMS book, okay, let me just give you an example there, like how data used to get populated. Let's say like this is the LMS book here. Okay, so this is LMS book, this is this one, and let's say title. So title I have given like this is test, and click on test here. So if I use there, automatically the data will populate. It means that we are already getting the data in the record type. If somehow this data is saved into the rule input, automatically these values can get populated as well. That's why my aim is that I will save into LMS book. What we have to save here, this is the format API response. So rule bang, save this one here, and in the ISBN we will pass local bang barcode. That's it. So as soon as you pass any value here, copy that one here, okay, paste that value and move from here, automatically this data is going to get populated. See here, top visionaries who changed the world, author is this George Elian, published date is this one. Any book you have, you can now just save it here. So now let's go into our site. Okay, refresh this site once again, and when you click on add book here, so now our interface is any ISBN number you will provide it. We have one ISBN, just copy here and let's just paste it here and see the magic, and all this data got populated. Great. Oh, ISBN number is not populated, right? Okay, let's do one thing here. In our map we will also add ISBN, because why user should write ISBN number, and it is nothing but whatever the rule input it has got. Click on save here. So next time when it will be triggered, it will also give us the ISBN number here. So let me just close this and open it once again and put the ISBN number, and that's it. See here, ISBN number will also get populated here. All these values are getting populated. Genre we have not done because it is already using some reference, so that's completely fine. We have to do a lot of changes for this one here. So as of now these things are fine here, and we can click on submit and the book will get added in our system as well, and we can see that book as well in the in our grid. See here, top visionaries who changed the book. Okay, so something like this data we can get it here. So I hope guys this part is clear to you, and while doing this POC you may find issues something like this one here. This is an upgrade issue which is still in progress. It has not been fixed, but don't worry, we have you covered, because books grid is working, other grid are not working. So I have already shown you that how you can fix that issues as well. So in the post there is the method which has been added here, so you can just go into the interview question, record type constructor pass 17 fields. How it is error, we have actually fixed it by using some local variables. Okay, so that was all for now, guys. I hope you will try this out on your own and it will be a good learning experience as well. So that was all for now, guys. Thank you.